Hey, what up guys? Zstride13 here with a special for you. Have to apologize, haven't been posting for a couple weeks. I bought a house with my 24 subscribers and my big hit, my last Halo video got 3 views. With that money I was able to buy this entire property. So let's, I'm going to give you the grand tour today as an apology for not being able to give out some great content over the past few weeks. So let's start here. I'm going to go first person mode. You go through the door. Note, the door has a letter slot. That is a genuine letter slot. You don't see those nowadays. Alright, so we come into the living room / dining room. There's boxes everywhere. Croquet set. Boxes everywhere because we just got Michelle's stuff in. Radiator cover, yes, that's true. We have pure, genuine radiators. So old school. This is our TV. That used to be in the game room. Audrey Hepburn. Our TV stand. The nightstand, which is eventually going to go in the animal room. I'm going to have to show you that. Oh, there's our kitchen table and our chairs. Totally forgot to mention those. We had to put them together ourselves. We got some upholstery for accents. We got the mocha side chairs. I got a bunch of junk on it right now, but once we organize things, everything's gonna go into like our office desk. And then we've got another radiator over here. Oh, one more look at the couch. Quality. Oh, there's my lobster crab bisque right down there. Cat stuff once we bring the cats in. My computer setup, which is eventually going in the game room. I'm going to show you that too. Oh, there's Michelle. Hey. Cooking kale soup. And then there's our refrigerator, our sink. We recycle. Everyone should recycle.
Oh, wait.
Oh, our salt and pepper shakers, courtesy a la Michelle's mom. Rippin' pepperoni. And that's Skelly. Alright, we're gonna put a kitchen corner thing here, so that right now that's just being used as kind of like storage for various things. Stove.
Oh, fuck.
Another radiator, you good?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, sailboat, we got a beach theme going on here, you'll notice. Look, just walk a day in my flip-flops. And then look, we got a seahorse. And then we've got this Ammonite, big Pokemon fan. And then if we go in here, so this would have been the deck, but it's actually, now it's built in as a sunroom. So right now, as you can see, there's the banisters and railings for the stairs, hose, bookshelf that we're still cleaning. So this is eventually going to be like the cat room. We're going to have the litter box and their food and stuff in here. Right now it's kind of just storage, washer and dryer. This is the back door to the backyard. It's nighttime, or else I'd show you guys outdoors. Maybe I'll make that another video if I ever have to apologize again. Here we are in the half bath. There's no bath in it, but there's a I feel like I'm in Paranormal Activity or Blair Witch Project. All right, here's the I'm not even gonna show you guys the basement. Here's the basement door. We don't go down there very much. We're gonna have to start doing it for the boiler in the winter because I have to manually check on the water levels for the boiler. Alright, here's the stairs. There would be railings there, like I said, and banisters, but we're moving a lot of furniture up and down. Oh, nautical theme. There it is again. Alright, so here we are in our main bedroom. Got it right here. There's my dresser. Got some cool stuff, Songbird, Jake, Pokemon. There's Peekaboo, I got him in 4th grade and I have him still. Vault-Tec, my tie rack. That's our closet. Oh, there's Al, my alligator. Sushi, Stitch. Sushi is Michelle's moose. Another radiator, windows, window fan, hamper. Alright, we'll get to here soon. That's gonna be the last part of the tour. Alright, so then we go in. Oh, Michelle didn't turn on all the lights, I guess. Oh my god. Here we are in the bathroom. This is the full bath. So uncovered radiator actually, and it's pretty small. Most of them are like 7 to 8 segments, that's only 3. Bathroom cabinet thing, toilet, shower. We have a drying rack, but we have yet to set it up, so we've been hanging our towels. Shower. Oh, I put up that shower caddy. You can see that, it kind of just, it's tension built, so the spring keeps it there. And then we've got, you know, I'll save that room. Oh, okay, I'm walking into darkness here. Let me turn this on. There's actually not much to see in this room. You've got bookshelf. This is pretty much all my stuff. Games, magazines, books, cards, you name it. Vacuum, shop vac, vacuum attachments, guitars, rock band stuff, office desk, office chair. We're using this room as purely storage right now, so it's not really much to show you guys until we find out a place to put all this trash. And then we've got the animal room. Now don't mind these things. This is a computer desk. This is a chaise lounge thing that we're gonna put upstairs in the attic. But until that's carpeted, they're in here. Another uncovered radiator, that's normal size. Here's Daisy. Here's Daisy, our bearded dragon. Hello, Daisy. Say hello to the camera. Okay. And then we got... There's our Ethernet cord, by the way. That thing right there. And then we've got Hunk and Mushu. Hello, guys. We just recently adopted these guys. If not, they would have been euthanized. So we've got Hunk and Mushu. Now... neither of them are making any noise, and neither of them are moving around, so it's really hard to tell them apart. But Hunk's got lighter feathers. Oh wait, I think that's Hunk. Okay, yeah, so the one on the left, that's Hunk right there, and that's Mushu. Yeah, big baby. You're a big baby, Hunk. And there's Mushu. Look at her little mohawks. Little mohawk and her little red cheeks. So we got some enrichment objects. We got some mirrors, some ropes, a ladder, newspaper for their poop and seed. So they're there. Daisy's there. So that's the animal room. And let's keep going. So this is the last part of the tour with my Burton snowboard. All right. So here we go. We're going up to the. We're going up to the finished attic. Now, this room is going to be sweet when it's fully finished, but for right now, as you can see, it's hardwood. So we're gonna put, oh, here's all of our posters. We're gonna hang these up all along the walls. We got track lights up here. Some of the bulbs are out. We're gonna replace those with different colors. We've got our TV stand, our router and modem. We're gonna get another TV for right here, smaller than the one downstairs, of course. We're gonna get this all carpeted, and then we're going to get an air conditioner for these windows, or for this window probably. And then there's holes for storage. We're gonna get some doors to put over those so the cats can walk around up here. And I'm not gonna have to fear for their lives as they crawl into the insulation. So let's go back down. So here we go. Alright guys, I'm about to head off, eat some of my crab lobster bisque before it's completely cold. Thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching. And
if you haven't subscribed, you should go subscribe and like this video.
I didn't want to be one of those people, but I guess Michelle has no shame.
Nope.
So I'm going to be posting every Monday once again, just like I was before all this craziness happened. And I'll see you next time. Peace!